Hello, today I want to show you a space clearing technique for any time that you may have a ghost in your house, or maybe sometimes people talk about they feel like there's an entity in their house or ghosts, and I will say I do tons of space clearings, and 9 times out of 10 it's just some predecessor energy. Sometimes homes have this heavy energy and we can just sense it when we walk in, and that just comes from some emotional baggage that came from the person who lived in your house before. But every once in a blue moon it really is a ghost. And my great-grandmother was a medium, and I have this gift of feeling ghosts, and it's so funny because I've done 2 space clearings in 2 weeks, and I'm 2 ghosts for both space clearings, and I hardly ever find ghosts, so the veil must be thin right now. And I thought I just want to show you guys how to clear a ghost out of your house using this salt, and then this will be called the blue flame technique, and we're going to use salt. And I'll just show you, this is a rock salt that you would use, it's to make ice cream. You can get this at your grocery store. It's just simple rock salt. And put it in something that is really fire safe. So this is a really great pottery a friend of mine made for me, and it's never gets hot on the bottom. You don't want to put this in tinfoil or metal or something that's going to get really hot, because this is going to get real hot. And then I have 90 proof rubbing alcohol. And I'm just going to open this up and pour this right over, just a good amount to just really get the rock salt moistened with the rubbing alcohol. And sometimes you can use this to determine if there is a ghost in the room, because when I light it, if we see that blue flame really spike up, that's usually a sign that there is a ghost. But if we light it and it's just a real basic orange fire and not much is happening, then it might not be a ghost after all. Maybe we didn't get it right, or maybe it is just that predecessor energy. So I'm just going to light this now. And I do see some blue right away. I hope you guys can see that. And you'll see a lot of blue in the flames. There's orange too, but I'm seeing so much blue. Do you see that blue?
Yeah.
And so there's definitely a presence of a ghost in this lower portion of this house. And now what I want to do is I just want to, as I'm doing this blue flame, I'm also going to do a bridge of light and ask this ghost to cross over. And sometimes ghosts will hang out in houses because they just couldn't figure out how to cross over, or for whatever reason. I just recently did a space clearing where it was a grandfather, and he said he was waiting for his son to forgive him so that he would cross over. So we don't really know why, but for some reason there is a spirit living here. And this is right in the room where there was just some water damage too. So sometimes ghosts can cause all kinds of problems with the electrical or the plumbing. And so it's a good idea to have them cross over. So I'm just asking this spirit to find the blue flame. So I'm just going to say, I ask that this bridge of light be made, so that you can go wherever it is that you are going to next. And may you be reunited with everyone you've ever loved in all your lives, and everyone who's ever loved you. And let this bridge of light be filled with golden energy. And just sending you off so that you can meet your guides and guardians who will take you to the place you are going to next. And wherever that might be, I ask that it all be filled with love and light, and that you are exactly where you need to be next. And so follow this bridge of light and cross over. And I'm also sending energy back in time through quantum healing and distance Reiki. I'm asking that your passing be swift and pain-free. So whatever happened, that this ghost has crossed over and this ghost spirit is still in this house, I want to send a little nudge that this passing was swift and pain-free. And I bless you. I release you. I let you go. Please leave this space now and go off to where you are meant to be, meeting up with your guides and guardians along the way to take you to your next profound journey. Thank you.